Today we are facing this issue. I show you what is the issue. We are going in the Microsoft store. They are showing all these apps, but problem is when we are installing any software like any software for free, we show. So also search WhatsApp, also showing same. So they are telling when I click the more info, update issue. So one by one we are checking how to solve this one. So at first we are going to AMS service. So we are going to service, then checking there have a update is on or off. Windows update, Microsoft update and health, then Microsoft business. So any all update here, click the automatic. Then also Windows also 8. Windows update also disabled. So we need to the update enable and apply the okay Windows update. Show the media all type of updates that are also need to the on. Click automatic. So click minimally. The no issue making solves out of video. Don't have anything. Check. Not if having any. Now we are go again Microsoft Store, close, check the phone, WhatsApp, no, that is not WhatsApp, so I show you other option. Also we are downloading WhatsApp in the other way, also same problem is showing. So I'm trying to the other way downloading, then we are checking. So let's see. Download issues. I'm trying this way is working or not. think the troubleshoot showing this is not working, so close, no need, because my problem is solved in the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp problem is solved, so I'm not going in the deep in the updating issues. So just wait and check the update issue is solved or not solved. So next video we are showing the how to solve the update issue. Now WhatsApp is